Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Amas online platform. I am Ragini, your English faculty for the upcoming NDA course. Amas has been always known for fulfilling its promises, and here we are with a new NDA course for those students who cannot join us offline. Today I will be discussing here the syllabus of NDA for particularly English subject and the PYQs, like the questions that are asked in the previous year questions, right? So let's just get started. Basically, English is a part of your paper 2 in the general ability test. Okay, the general ability test consists of 600 marks, out of which 200 marks has been particularly allotted to the English subject. It consists of 50 questions. Okay, and I will be here dealing with those. Okay, so the number of questions that are asked, as I told you, is 50 from the different sections here. The first is your grammar and its usage. What is this grammar portion here? It deals with the parts of speech, right? As well as the sentence formation, how the sentence are improved, is spotting the errors. These type of questions are asked from this grammar section, which includes your part of speech. Moving ahead, we have the vocabulary part. In the vocabulary part, we will be dealing with the antonyms and the synonyms. What are these antonyms and synonyms? Antonyms means which have opposite meaning, जिसकी meaning just opposite होती है, and the synonyms means जिसकी meaning same होती है, right? Almost like if you see out of the 50 questions, there are only 5 questions of different types. Like 10 questions from antonyms, 10 questions from synonyms, spotting the errors, and sometimes like idioms and phrases. Okay, moving on. See, here I have particularly discussed these things, that what are there in the grammatical portion. Parts of the speech is there, tense, active and passive voice. We have direct and indirect speech, articles, preposition, conjunction and so on. In the NDA course, this active, passive voice and direct, indirect speech are not asked particularly. In the vocab part, we have synonyms, antonyms, one-word substitution, idioms and phrases. In the comprehension part, you will get a passage as well as to arrange it in jumbled form. Like I will just explain it to you. Like in the jumbled sentences, you will be getting like one sentence will be fragmented into parts. एक ही sentence को अलग-अलग हिस्सों में दिया होगा, and you have to form a meaningful sentence out of it. Okay, this is an easy thing. When we will in this upcoming NDA course, we will discuss that how will be our approach, so we can get the correct answer. See, in this NDA course, one thing I want to highlight here is we will be dealing with the grammatical aspect. Okay, like हम जो बातचीत में जो इंग्लिश यूज़ करते हैं, that is very different from the exam point of view. Grammatically चीज़ें अलग होती हैं. Here we will learn this thing, that what will be our approach कि हम maximum से maximum score कर सकें इस English subject. Okay, moving on. Now we will discuss the previous year. Now we will discuss some of the previous year question papers. Let's see what type of questions are asked. Okay, this is your paper from NDA exam 2023. Okay, the first question here is spotting the errors. How can you deal with this spotting the error question? See, in every paper whatever I have analyzed, there are always 10 questions that come to this category of spotting the errors. इनको डील करने का तरीका is very simple. Know about the basics, the grammar, the parts of the speech. If you have a good command over it, these questions are easy to do. Then in the second part, we have synonyms. जैसा मैंने बताया, synonyms means जिसकी meaning same kind of होती है, ठीक है? If you are like aware of the reading, if you are into the habit of reading, these are easy questions. The second is ordering the words in a sentence. As I told you, एक simple sentence को अलग-अलग parts में fragment किया गया है, and you have to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, then we have the fourth question, that is your antonyms. Again 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे इसमें से. Next we have idioms and phrases, and in this idioms and phrases again 10 questions. Next part is your part 2 that deals with the science of the. So this was all from my side. For further discussion on the topic that what should be our approach and how we will be moving ahead, you can contact to the Amas website and know the further details for the upcoming courses. Okay. Now I would like to end this session. Thank you so much.